Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make radish dal. First, gather your fresh radishes, lentils, and a selection of aromatic spices. Ensure your radishes are clean and ready for chopping, and have your lentils pre-soaked if desired. This initial preparation sets the stage for a delicious and wholesome meal. We'll then move on to the cooking process, combining these simple ingredients into a flavorful dish. Let's start with preparing our ingredients. Choose radishes that are firm and free from blemishes for the best flavor. After washing them well, you can trim the ends and peel them if you prefer a milder taste. Chop the radishes into small, consistent pieces so they cook evenly. For the lentils, rinse about 1 cup of split pigeon peas under cold water until the water runs clear. Now, let's get cooking. Pressure cook your rinsed lentils with about 2 cups of water and a pinch of turmeric until they are soft. In a separate pan, sauté the chopped radishes with some onions and a spoonful of ginger garlic paste until fragrant. Once both are ready, combine the cooked lentils and sautéed radishes in a larger pot. Simmer gently, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together. To finish our radish dal, we'll prepare a flavorful tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil in a small pan. Once hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and a couple of dried red chilies, letting them splutter. Carefully pour this hot tempering over your simmering dal. Stir it in, then garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve this delicious radish dal warm with steamed rice or your favorite flatbread.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.